Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, a few weeks back, it was my wedding anniversary, and we went to San Francisco after a very long time. So, in this video, I want to share my trip with you and also share all the yummy food that we ate at San Francisco. So, I hope you will enjoy this video. So San Francisco is actually 40 to 50 minutes away from our home, and we don't really go to San Francisco very often. Only when somebody is visiting or when we have some special occasion, then we visit San Francisco. And I believe this is what happens when you are not working in the major city and you're living in the outskirts. That your life just gets busy and you don't really go and visit these major cities that often as you would think. And now let me show you the newly created Bay Bridge, which connects Oakland to San Francisco. This bridge was opened in 2013 and it took around 11 years to construct. So the original Bay Bridge, which was I believe completed in 1932, was getting very old and it was replaced by this new bridge. So that small tower that you see here is Coit Tower, and this pyramid building is Transamerica Pyramid Building, which was the tallest building of San Francisco till 2 years back, and it was taken over by this little building called Salesforce Building, and now it is the tallest building of San Francisco. And after that, we reached to our lunch destination in San Francisco, which is called Rue, and we had such good food there. And here are some photos of that food, and you can also watch this on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then please, I will leave my Instagram handle here. So please follow me on Instagram so that you can see more pictures and videos from that day. And I got so many interesting recipe ideas that day, and I also tried making the wild rice and quinoa bowl at home, and it turned out very nice. So I will be sharing that with you guys pretty soon.
Sugar, yes. Yummy sugar. You like yummy sugar, right?
And your celebration actually gets doubled when you have good company. So we were very glad that we were joined by our friends that day. After that, we went to Pier 39 to have some donuts, and here you can see the Bay Bridge that we took from our home to San Francisco. And the road that we are traveling on is called Embarcadero, and many buildings and landmarks of San Francisco are present on this road. And now I will show you the ferry building, which is also very renowned and remarkable building of San Francisco. So that tall tower that you're seeing in front is a ferry building, and you can park your car around here somewhere and just take a walk, and you will see a lot of good landmarks, and you will actually get the feeling of San Francisco while driving on this road. And after that, we parked our car on Pier 39 and started walking towards Rishi Donuts. And that bridge that you can see is Bay Bridge. And Pier 39 is a very famous tourist attraction. Anybody who comes to San Francisco visit this pier for sure, because there are a lot of restaurants and hangout places on Pier 39. And another famous tourist destination is Girardi Square, which is also very close by from Pier 39. You can actually cover Girardi Square and Pier 39 by walking. So just park your car nearby here, and then you can walk around and explore the area. So there is actually so much to cover in San Francisco that each time when I go there, I get very overwhelmed. I have not actually visited or explored a lot of places in San Francisco, but you just have to be very planned. You just have to plan your visit very nicely, because the parking there is very expensive. I believe for one full day you can be charged up to $40 for 8 hours or something like that. So the parking is really expensive, so you have to be very You have to understand what you want to do and how you want to utilize your time. The public transportation is good, but you might not be able to reach all the places. So the best way is to park your car at one place and just see and just map out where you want to go. There is also hop on and hop off bus available, but we have never taken that, so I might not be able to tell you how that actually works. But there are definitely a lot of traveling options in San Francisco, and the best way is to, if you're traveling by car, is to park your car at some place, or the other best method is to travel by BART or Caltrain. Both BART and Caltrain are public transportation of San Francisco Bay Area. One runs on the eastern side of Bay Area and other runs on the western. So BART is mainly covers the eastern side of Bay Area from Milpitas to San Francisco and above, and Caltrain actually works from San Jose to San Francisco, and these two are very well connected. So I would say if you're traveling from east, take BART, and if you're traveling from the west side or Sunnyvale side, then take Caltrain. And now we are at the Trishie Donut, and here you can see how fresh donuts are made. And Myra was so excited when she had this. We have also had fresh donuts in Seattle, and I personally preferred the Seattle donuts over this, but anything that is local and anything that is fresh is a huge welcome. So I personally like this one too. But yes, if you are traveling to Seattle, then there is also another famous donut place there, which I would say definitely visit that. But if you are also here, then please do try this also.
Can we get one 36-minute donut shop in a complete lane? इसके 12 लो, 2 दर्जन. इसके भी and one 36 cinnamon sugar. टिकट का भी डालूंगा अभी बहुत बढ़िया. You want to check? तो जो इसे गोदी में उठाओ, डोनट दिखाना कैसे बन रहा है. शुगर है ना, भाई मतलब हमें इसको बनाना है, कुछ करेगा ना. अमेजिंग है. अभी आपका आ रहा है. मैं लेती हूँ. This is the plate. So that's cinnamon sugar. Cinnamon sugar है, तो मैं भी cinnamon sugar. हाँ, फिर हमें भी दे दो. Make this also cinnamon sugar. ठीक है.
कैसा राहुल? हाँ?
उस वाले में फ्लेवर ज़्यादा है, सियाटल वाले में. सियाटल मैं लूंगी, थोड़ी देर में लेकर.
उसके साथ कवर भी दे देना चाहिए.
हाँ, ये मायरा का डांस देखो, शी इज एंजॉयिंग हर डोनट. लुक एट हर डांस. इसका डांस देखो.
ओ भाई, बच्ची को कितना पसंद आ गया भाई हमारा आना घर.
And after all the good food and excursion, we were so tired that we decided to go back home early that day. And I don't make a lot of travel videos, but lately I have been traveling a lot, and I'm also recording those videos for you guys. So if you would like to see those content, then please let me know in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be connected to me and you can watch my videos whenever they're uploaded. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, because only then you will be able to know when my videos comes out. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below what you liked about today's video and how you all are doing. So thank you so much, and bye bye, and take care.